Welcome, this is Anif Crypto. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the Exodus wallet. The Exodus wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that supports over 175 cryptocurrency assets. With these assets, you can buy and sell them across other exchanges. The Exodus wallet also allows you to swap or exchange a crypto asset from that crypto asset on its platform. With the Exodus wallet, you can be involved in staking some of these crypto assets to receive APYs. You can also purchase NFTs using this platform. So let's get right into it. This is the website for the Exodus wallet. That is exodus.com/download. I will be placing the link in the description of this video. The Exodus wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that offers digital wallet services like buying and selling of crypto assets, staking to earn passive crypto income, swapping an asset for another, and other basic services as well. In this video, we will be focusing on how you can get started with the Exodus wallet using your PC. You would always be able to synchronize it with your Exodus wallet or your mobile device. This is a much easier way for you to use the Exodus wallet. You can make use of the Exodus wallet on your desktop/your PC or on your mobile device. You will download the wallet application on your Windows, Mac or Linux personal computer. You can also download it on your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store. After you've downloaded it based on whatever operating system your personal computer is, mine is a Windows operating system, so I'll click on it and wait for it to download. After you have successfully downloaded the Exodus wallet and installed it on your personal computer, this is the landing page of the Exodus wallet. It has a beautiful interface, and using the Exodus wallet doesn't require any form of registration, KYC or verification. All your activities are private. To start using the Exodus wallet on your personal computer, you will click on Settings, click on Backup, and you create a password that you would remember. You have to confirm the password you used previously to make sure it's correct. Next, right here, you would have to write down your 12-word phrase and store it in a safe place that you can always have access to it. After you've written it down somewhere safe, you click on Next. So right here, you have to pick a word that tallies with one of your 12 backup phrases. Right here it says that your backup has been completed. You set up your password. It also says that you have safely written down and stored your 12 secret recovery phrase. The next thing you will do is you click on Security, and right here you will choose how long you want your wallet to be up for before it locks itself automatically. So I'm clicking on 5 minutes. You can choose any time frame you want. Always make sure that you remember the password you used when trying to set up your backup keys. This is what you will use to unlock your wallet when it has become inactive after some time. So I placed mine to 5 minutes, and then we are good to go. You go back by clicking on Home. These are some essential features that are necessary to make use of the Exodus wallet. So the first one right here is the portfolio, and the portfolio is the landing page for your Exodus wallet. Your portfolio is a dashboard that shows you information about the different cryptocurrency assets you own and hold on your wallet, giving you information like the price actions, the market cap, the 24 hours volume, and so on. So right here, because I have not received any crypto asset into my Exodus wallet, it's not giving any information right here. But once I do that, or once you do this, you would see the different cryptocurrency assets that you own and you are holding right in this section. So right here, we'll click on the wallet. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll be able to view the different cryptocurrency assets that the Exodus wallet supports. The Exodus wallet supports about 175 crypto assets where you can buy and sell using the wallet. For example, if you own an old Terra Luna on a different crypto exchange, be it a decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange, and you want to send it into your Exodus wallet, all you need to do is to click on Receive. This is the barcode or your wallet address. You copy it and send it to the crypto exchange that you want to send your Luna from, and then you do your transaction, or you scan the barcode right here and you process your transaction. If you want to sell or send some Luna tokens to another person or a different cryptocurrency exchange, all you need to do is to click on send. When you click on send, you enter the address you want. You either copy it or you scan from your desktop. You can either click from desktop and then you have this page. So you will drag this over to the QR code you have sent and you can access via your desktop, and it automatically captures the Luna address you want to sell some tokens to immediately. It's that simple. You can also click on scan the Terra Luna address using the camera. So your computer will make use of its webcam to scan the QR code and automatically generate the Luna address. Then create a memo or you leave a message and then you click on send. Moving on to exchange, here you will be able to swap or exchange a crypto asset from that crypto asset on the wallet. So let's say if you have one BTC, this is the equivalent of one BTC. If you want to swap it to Ethereum, so it says you would receive this in Ethereum. That is, this will be the value of in USD of the Ethereum you'll be receiving, and you'll be receiving about 14.38 Ethereum when you swap or exchange it from Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can also change it, if you want to, and click on this to select any asset you want to exchange or swap, any asset from here that you want to receive. Let's click on compound finance. Compound finance allows you to earn an annual percentage yield on the DAI stablecoin. This shows you what you will earn, which fluctuates as a result of market conditions. This is better than what you will earn from investing in a traditional financial institution. It's almost the same thing as UST, USDT, Binance USD, but this is the DAI stablecoin. You can also click on NFT. This is the NFT gallery, and it says you don't have any art yet. Get started by sending your Solana NFTs to Exodus. Click the button below to copy your gallery address. This is your Solana NFT gallery address on the Exodus wallet, where you can send, and with this address you can receive NFTs that you own that run on the Solana network. So all you do is copy this and send it to wherever you own it, and then you receive it almost immediately. The reason why synchronize your Exodus wallet on your PC with your Exodus wallet on your mobile device is because you cannot buy Solana NFTs directly from your personal computer using the Exodus wallet. You can buy NFTs on your Exodus wallet on your mobile device. Going forward, you can click on SpotX. So right here it says welcome to SpotX. If you are a sport fan and you place bets on games and matches, with the Exodus wallet you can safely place your bets in any of these categories easily with no stress. Moving on, you have two more Exodus apps. So you click on rewards. On the rewards section, this shows you the different tokens that the Exodus wallet supports for staking. It also shows you their corresponding annual percentage yield. For Solana, you can see that your APY is 5.39%, for Algorand is 0.06%, for Cosmos is 13.91%, for Cardano 4.91%. You have other crypto assets that you can stake your crypto to earn passive income on Exodus wallet. Clicking on the Exodus shares, you can purchase Exodus shares from this section. You will need to create your profile, you will need to submit an ID, then your profile will be verified. You'll be able to begin to invest in Exodus. The Exodus offering circular has been filed with the US Security and Exchange Commission. This document is now available to the public on the official SEC government website. So if you click here, if you're interested in reading further, you can click here and then you do that. So literally, you can purchase Exodus shares on the Exodus wallet, and this will allow you to own a portion of the company from purchasing its shares. You might be asking, how safe is the Exodus wallet? I am here to tell you that the Exodus wallet is a non-custodial wallet that only you can see is trying to lock itself after 5 minutes of inactivity. So I'll click I'm still here. The Exodus wallet is a non-custodial wallet that only you have access to your private keys. You store your private keys safely where you can access it locally. Do not send your private keys to anyone. Also, do not click on any link that you are not sure of. For additional security, you can purchase the Trezor hardware wallet. Connect it with your Exodus wallet for you to safely store your 12 seed phrases. This is an additional way you will be able to authorize any transaction from your Exodus wallet. So this gives you added security and some form of safety from getting hacked or getting your crypto assets stolen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned one or two things from it. For you to continue to receive content like this in the near future, kindly click the like button of this video and also subscribe to my channel. This will also help this channel and its contents to reach a wider audience. Thank you once again. This is Untitled Crypto. Goodbye.